You get quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Pull the comfort collar up prior to sitting. Once seated, pull the lap bar down and secure it firmly to your legs down and inside the tray. With your head back against the headrest.
Thank you. Alright guys. Another re-ride comparison time. We just rode Shikra and we compared it to Griffin. And I will heavily take Griffin over it. Now, I just rode Tempesto a couple weeks ago at Busch Gardens, Virginia. So we're going to be comparing Tigris to Virginia's Tempesto. But at the end of the day, it's just another Skyrocket too.
Yeah, platform. Platform clear. Just back.
And here we go. Off to the race on Tigris. Whoa! Whoa! It's backwards launch. Wow! Oh my God. That was better than Tempesto, wow! Now he's got to get out of the comfort collar.
Congratulations, you are talking Tigris. Excellent guess.
Yeah, Tigris was actually better than Tempesto. I didn't expect that from this. I didn't like Tigris the last time I rode it, but it's better.